Welcome, and my name is REALME C31, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to navigate into settings. From here, select storage, tap on your SD card, choose what you want to open it with. I'll be selecting files. Once it loads it, you want to tap on the three little dots right here and then go to storage settings, where you will find the option to format it. It will give you a message that formatting your SD card will result in you losing everything from it. So if there's anything on your card that you would like to keep, music, photos, some kind of data, maybe applications, do make a backup copy to, for instance, your computer before you begin, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, select Format SD card. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple of seconds. And as you can see, it's already finished. Click on Done, and there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.